This is how the fire animation we can create in the Blender. Hey everyone, my name is Akhil and welcome back to another quick Blender tutorial. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how we can create fire and smoke animation in Blender. Okay, so I'm here at Blender 5.0.0 beta version. Okay, and this is the default screen where I do have the camera, light and the cube. So camera and light I don't need, I will just delete that. Okay, I do have this cube. So I'll just select this cube and then I'll go here in the physics property and then select fluid. And here type I will select as a domain. So now what's the purpose of domain is whatever animation will happen, it will happen inside it. Okay, now I will press Shift A and then I will create a UV sphere. I'll just press S and then we'll make it a bit smaller. And then I will just drag it a bit down. Okay, perfect. Now second thing I will do here is I will go here again in the physics property. I'll select the UV sphere and go to physics property and then I'll select fluid. Then in the type I will select as a flow. So as soon as I do that, if you see that a little bit smoke coming out of this UV sphere. Okay, then to see the animation we need to play it. Before that I will reduce the frame to somewhere around maybe 20. Okay, then now if I play it, so if you see smoke is coming out of this UV sphere. Okay, now you see it very well. Smoke is coming out of this UV sphere. Now I'll just pause it for a sec. So here we do have one more property which is flow behavior. So here I want to make it as an inflow. So if I will make inflow, then what will happen? The smoke which is coming out of the UV sphere, it will keep coming out. Okay, it will not be like once. So now let it render till 20 frame and then for the second time it should run smooth. Okay, now if you see that smoke is coming continuously coming out of this UV sphere. I'll again pause it for a second to show another interesting property which is smoke color. So here you can change the smoke color as well. So let's say I want to make a green. Okay, then let's me again render it. And now if you see that, right, it's little bit smoke coming out of here in a green color. So similarly we can change it in a different color as well. Okay, frames are rendered and now if you see that we do have the green smoke here. Okay, now I'll just pause it again. Then here flow type we do have another settings as well, like fire plus smoke or fire. So let's say if I select fire and then if I play it, now if you see a fire animation over here. Okay, this is fire and smoke. Now let it render till 20th frame, then we should be able to see it how exactly it will look. Okay, so similar to fire and smoke, we do have the fire animation as well. So we can simply create fire and smoke with just a simple configuration change. Okay, very straightforward. All right, now if you see that we have very good fire animation created in the Blender. Okay, so we do have little bit of smoke over here, and similarly if I want to make just fire, then I can select fire here. Okay, then it will not be no smoke along with the fire. Okay, let it also render for 20th frame, then we should be seeing it is very smooth. And one last thing, till meantime it's rendering. So flow type we do have the liquid as well. So liquid flow type we will use to create water animation that we will be seeing in the next video. Okay, but for fire animation, yeah, it would be similar simple change in the flow type. Okay, so let it finish this frame. And how does it perform? It will depend on your system. If you have good system with good RAM, then it will be very smooth. Okay, So now if you see that, we do have pretty good fire animation. All right, that's all for this lecture. We'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.